up today, peoples? Today we are doing Nerf gun battles. We got a couple new Nerf guns. I got this Nerf Elite. It's pretty nice. The cylinder actually comes out and turns. It's very nice. Cutter, what? He's in his fort. Right?
No, I'm not.
Come show them your Nerf gun. Yeah, I got a new phone that I can call and text on now. So that was his gift. It's not fair. I had to buy this myself. It don't matter. But okay. So gotta go get your fort. Here's our little forts. I'm not really sure if you can see me very good or not. So I'll have. He's only using that gun. Wait, don't start yet. I have this gun. And then I have this gun from some of our old videos, like Nerf gun videos. They're not that old, but yeah. And then this was what? Yeah. And then I also have this one. It's the first one that I got out of these, which started me on Nerf guns. So, hi, go. Oh. Reload. Alright. Can I bounce it off the bar? That's a no. Ooh. And then there's this nice little watching storage compartment in the stock. It's very nice for this.
Why'd you do it?
Why am I not loading whenever I see his face? So sad. So sad. I need poopy.
That's funny.
Let me just give me an ammo. Or a foot. I miss. We're doing it till we get hit, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Or we run out of ammo. He's built this fort actually quite well. It may not look like it, but he has. Guns. What's going on? Damn.
What are you doing?
I'm having issues. That's so sad. I'm having issues. There it goes. Woo! Right by his head. Dang it, I'm out. Whew! He's not doing anything right now. So, as I've showed in some other videos, the gun tried to attack me. Dang it! Ha-ha! Oh, I was way too high. Ouch! I just landed on my leg. There we go. I mean by it's scary. See an arm?
Oh!
This is our island!
Man, you suck.
Yay! I'm the best of all best.
That was my shoulder.
Not it's
Blade.
it counts. Okay.
Not an arm. A shoulder blade.
So as you can see, we'll have a bit of a mess to clean up. So if you guys like this video, please make sure to subscribe and leave a like, and we will see you guys in the next video. Bye!